In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Discord on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very simple to do. Works the same on the PS5 and PS5 Pro. All you want to do is go over to your settings firstly, then go to users and accounts like so. And then you want to go to the fourth tab, which is linked services. There's going to be a few here, but the second one is going to be Discord. So click on that. It's going to say to link your Discord account, and it shows you that all the things you could do. So if you just go ahead and press link, all you got to do is press accept and continue like so. And then what I could do is on my phone, I could go ahead and scan the QR code that's shown on screen, or I can enter the code on the right and it says you'll soon move to the next screen on the PS5. And if you want to, like, let's say if you don't have Discord on your phone or anything like that, but you have a Discord account, you could also use the browser at the bottom as well, and then you'll instantly be logged in. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out our other videos on the channel as well.